Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel viewers. In front of me, Philips Smart air fryer Combi 7000 series, and now I'm going to show you how to check your recent recipes, your recent cooking history on this device. You need to scroll right within your smart ring, and here you will see cooking history. Click on it. And here, as you can see, we can see all our cooking history. So this was my first cooking, for example, and different other cookings I can see too. Unfortunately, I can't see cookings from recipes, so I can't check which recipe I chose on my phone when I ran this program, for example, but I can choose other ones, and I can, for example, check recipes with the thermometer. For example, I set juicy mode for the chicken, for example, 1 minute 1.8 kilograms. So you can just check it, you can just see all your cooking history here. Thanks for watching, like this video and bye!